Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the difference between the Microsoft Excel functions of count and count A. So here I have a data set having the random values. There are some names and there are some numerical values in the data set. So the two functions that we are going to discuss is count and count A. So count function count the cells containing the numbers. So it count the cells containing the numbers in easy words. So it means these count functions are basically counting the number of cells, not the numbers inside them. So let's find out what is the count of this given data set equals to count, and then we have to select the values, and if I close it, so the count of this data set is 8 because we have 8 cells in which there is a numerical data and the 2 cells in which there is a data that is not numerical or in the form of numbers, rather it's a text. So this is the count function. Then we have a count A function. Count A basically count the non-empty cells. So it doesn't matter whether the cells contain the numbers or text or whatever. So if I apply the formula of count A here on the given data set, so it basically refers to count all. So A for all. So if I select the data set and count by using this function, it will give me 10 because it has also considered the 2 cells containing the text. It means the two functions of count and count A differs in terms of their counting, that count is concerned with counting the cells containing the numbers or numerical data, and count A is concerned with counting the non-empty cells, whether it contain text or numerical numbers. So this is how they differ from each other, and this is the answer of this data set, that what is the count by using these two count types. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.